Amazon's 5-day free promotion has changed a lot over the years. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and when to use it and how to turn these free downloads into actual profits in your bank account. Hey everybody, I'm Emeka, and in this video, I'm going to talk all about Amazon's 5-day free promotion that you can run for your books for sale up on Amazon. And most importantly, I'm going to show you how to turn those free downloads into actual profits. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, how do I market my books? And that is the reason that I'm running this 3-part video series on how to market your books. You can find the additional 2 videos in the links in the description or up in the cards on this very video. So Amazon's 5-day free promotion period is a great way to get some additional sales and reviews for your book if you use it correctly. See, most publishers are putting their book up on Amazon, clicking on the 5-day free promotion, have it for free for 5 days, then they start to hope, pray, and chant that money and additional sales is gonna come in. Now, as solid as that strategy is, I'm gonna show you a different one. So first off, what is Amazon's 5-day free promotion period? Amazon lets all books that are enabled on KDP Select to go on free promotion for $0 for 5 days every 90-day period. So this means you can have your book for free on Amazon for either 5 consecutive days, 2 days here, 3 days here, whatever you want, as long as it fits within that 90-day period. Every 90 days that you're enabled on KDP Select, you can get an additional 5 more days to market your book for free. So what Amazon's doing is promoting this book and showing extra people your book because it's now available for free on their platform. So they want as many eyeballs to see it as possible. Unfortunately, this just doesn't convert into actual sales as well as it did back in the day. You might have heard people saying, hey, put your book on Amazon's 5-day free promotion as soon as you launch it to increase your sales rank. That's a 2012 tactic. Back in the day, you could put your book on free promotion. You could go to Fiverr and get downloads of 25,000 downloads a day. What this was actually doing inside Amazon's algorithm was counting that as sales. So it was shooting up people's sales rank. Amazon realized that this is just not a very good strategy at all, and they've now separated the two, free downloads versus paid downloads. Paid downloads are the only thing that actually affects your book's rank now. Free downloads do 0 to affect your book's sales rank. So if it does nothing to affect your book's sales rank, thus not increasing your income, why even bother using it? Well, I want to explain to you the 3 biggest reasons on why you still want to consider Amazon's 5-day free promotion as part of your book launching or your book publishing strategy in general. So the first reason is you want to collect information from your customers, such as an email address. The second reason is you have something inside your book you want a ton of people to see. The third reason is you want more traffic sent to your Amazon page. So those are really the only reasons that I, for example, will use a 5-day free promotion. The idea of publishing your book that you just invested hundreds of dollars in, launching up on Amazon, and then having it for free for 5 days, hoping that people are going to end up buying your book at some point is ludicrous. That is not a strategy. That is not business. That is just wishing and hoping that you're going to end up succeeding. Having some actual thought and planning into why you want to use your 5-day free promotion will get you much better results. So let's talk about how we can break down those 3 things I just mentioned and to turn those into actual sales, or rather actual profit. Now, the first thing you want to understand is this. The people who download your book for free are the worst kind of customers you can find. People who want free stuff are the worst customers across the board in any industry. The same goes for Kindle. So keep that in mind when you're promoting your additional offers to these people. Having somebody spend 99 cents on your book versus getting it for free, the chance of that person who spent 99 cents buying an additional product from you, whether it's a book or whether it's a back-end product that we'll talk about in a second, is significantly higher than the person who just downloaded the book for free. So you want to keep that in mind when you're selecting what promotion offer you want to use for your book. Sure, you're gonna get a ton of downloads, but converting those downloads into actual sales is a completely different scenario. Free downloads, these people are the hardest ones to, one, reach via email, two, are even harder to convert into an actual offer. When somebody purchases your book for free versus for 99 cents, the customer for 99 cents is way more likely to purchase a product from you for $7, $9, $19, $197, or even $2,000 because they purchased something from you already. This is basic internet marketing. And that is the number one reason that I prefer running countdown deals to my books versus the free promotion. To find out more about countdown deals, make sure you check the video links in the description or you check up the card above me. So let's talk about those 3 reasons on why you want to run the free 5-day free promotion and dive into a little bit more detail. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your 5-day free promotion on KDP. So the first reason is building your email list. This is the most common and most logical thing that you want to run a 5-day free promotion for. See, when a customer buys your book, they are not your customer at all. You have zero data about them. They are Amazon's customer. So the most important thing you can do is collect your customer's email address. Now, why is that? Well, one, they can buy another book from you when you email them, letting them know that you've come out with a second part or a second whatever the case is. But then also you can now promote additional products that you might have yourself or affiliate products where you're selling somebody else's product and you're getting a commission to that person's email. So building an email list is the most important thing you can do if you're looking at making money in this business long term. Once you have a customer's email address, you're able to impact them and influence them multiple times versus just that one time in that one book they're gonna read, and then they're literally lost forever and you're just kind of hoping that they liked your book enough that they come back. So now you have your customer's email address, but how do you make money from it? This is how. You start off by sending them more value-based emails. So this is information that is highly relatable to the book's topic, is either helping them solve the problem faster, or it might introduce them to a new problem that you solve in a few other free emails. But the bottom line is you have to give them something that they're thinking in their head, oh man, I'm really glad this person is sending me this email, or this was a really interesting read. As long as you keep that frame of mind, your customers will keep opening and reading your email. And that is the most important thing. You want to send them an offer that's going to help them scale their business or fix their problem at the next level. Then you want to send them something that's going to help them either scale their business, or it's going to help them eliminate their problem even faster, or depending on what niche you're in, you're going to have to figure that out. And this is when you start charging the money for it. And you don't have to charge a ton. It could be $7. It could be $97. It could be $1,997. Depending on what niche you're in and what products and what problems you're solving, that's something you have to decide as, a business owner. But when done correctly, this is the fastest way to scale your income from your books. People run 6- and 7-figure businesses from giving their ebooks for free on Amazon and selling back-end products to them. This is something that works like you would never believe. And a lot of publishers, they overlook this, or they just don't think big enough. And they're thinking, hey, I'd rather just make $2 to $20 off the front end of my sales and never see that customer again. That's foolish. I don't even know why they're in business. This is something that real entrepreneurs, real business owners fully understand and they take seriously. The money is made on the back end. It's the fastest way to scale your income. It's the fastest way to scale your business. And it's easy once you put in the work and you set it up and you do it correctly the first time. Now, the second thing is you have something you want to promote. So let's say they download the book for free. You're going to have lots of people download your book. Now you want to give them something else for free. So you could do something like a little lead magnet. That's usually a PDF, another book, or whatever the case. It's something you give them for free. Or it might be a free product that they just pay the shipping on. Or it might be access to a free video course that helps solve the customer's problem or is related to your book in some sort of way. The bottom line is you are using your book to promote something bigger on the back end, but you're still giving them that second offer or that third offer completely free. But if you're giving away your stuff for free, how are you going to make money? Well, once again, it's on the back end. Once you've solved their problem, your customer is now thinking of you in a positive way because you have now fixed their problem, solved whatever issue they were having or whatever the case is. So if you can continue to do that and prove your value, prove your worth time and time again, eventually when you say, hey, I have this offer for you, this product for you, and it's only X amount of dollars, but it's gonna do this for you and this for you and this for you, they're a lot more likely to jump on board, purchase that product from you because you've shown and you've proven, you have a proven track record of fixing and making their life easier. The third reason is you just want more traffic on your Amazon page. So in order for this to work, so you might have a paperback book that sells a lot better than your ebook. You might have an audiobook that sells a lot better than your ebook. But by giving away your ebook for free and promoting it as, hey, I got a free ebook here, you can have more traffic come to your page. But now they're on the page. How do we get them to ignore the free offer and pay for the book? Because remember, some people will not buy ebooks. Some people will not buy audiobooks. Some people will not buy paperbacks. Some people will always buy ebooks, will always buy paperback, will always buy audiobooks. But if I'm on Amazon and I see an offer for something I'm interested in and it says free and I go to the page saying, hey, it's free on Kindle. I don't have a Kindle. I don't ever plan on getting a Kindle. I think Kindle devices are stupid, honestly. They make me some great money, but that's a whole nother story. I will purchase the audiobook or the paperback book instead. But what brought me to the Amazon page? The free offer for the ebook. Now, what can you do to even sweeten this deal? You incentivize them to buy the paperback or the audiobook by including a bonus in only the paperback or a bonus in only the audiobook. And you make that visible on the book, in the description, on the cover, even if you want. But you are basically telling your customer, yeah, the ebook's free, but if you buy my paperback book, you're also getting this, this, and this for free. That is some genius marketing right there. So let's dive into the KDP dashboard on the computer here and show you exactly how to set up a 5-day free promotion.
All right, so let's show you exactly how to set up a free promotion for your books. So we're inside of my Amazon KDP account. So what you're gonna do is click over here and hit promote and advertise. Now, what you need to remember is your books need to be enrolled in KDP Select. This is a program that laps every 90 days. If your book is not enrolled, you're just gonna click this button. It would say enroll in KDP Select. If you want to unenroll your books for some reason, you're going to hit manage. But you have to have your books, your ebooks enrolled in this. This only affects ebooks. This means you can only, when you're in KDP Select, this means you can only sell your ebook on Amazon. You can't sell it anywhere else. That does not apply to your paperback or your audiobooks. I always enroll my books in KDP Select for a number of reasons. The main one is just to keep my business as simple and straightforward as possible. So we're going to run a promotion. So we're going to hit free book promotion, create new free book promotion. So start date, we are going to choose Monday, and we have up to 5 days. So if I choose to run it Monday and Tuesday, we'll have used 2 of 5 days within those 90-day period. If you want to use all of them all at once, you're going to do that, as we're going to do right now. Now, there are specific days that are actually better to run your free promotion on than others. There are days that you don't want to run your free promotion on, because this is all due to the amount of downloads and traffic that Amazon gets on their website. So to find out more about that, that's covered inside my self-publishing blueprint. So now we have created a free promotion for our book. It's going to be going Monday the 9th to Friday the 13th for this particular book. To find out how to do countdown deals, well, just check the description of this video and watch that video. If you have any questions about anything that I've covered in this video or anything else, hit me up in the comment section, or you can find me all over social media. Love to connect with you. As always, everyone, I'm Emeka. Speak to you soon.